Sino ka?
Ito daw guys.
Kasi na. Tayo. Ako po lang ako pwede sa likod. Mahilo yung tao.
Si Maika na.
Mahilo. Sino kasama ko dito?
Si Ib.
Ba't wala sa harap?
Ayaw ko. Mahilohin daw.
Nahilo
Nahilo
ka.
kayo?
Natatakot.
Uy, sarado mo Ib.
Uy!
Wait lang. Ay, sorry po. Ang ingay niyo.
Sorry.
Oo, kayo.
Yeah.
Wait lang po.
Para ba?
주행을 시작하세요. 좌회전입니다. 좌회전입니다. 400m 앞에서 우측 출구로 나가세요.
Saan tayo?
회전입니다.
Kila Alin.
we go Maseda.
Maseda?
Maseda.
Yeah.
그런데 한국 사람이에요. Korea예요,
daw
Korea.
siya. Ah.
Oh, she understand? You understand? 한국 조금 말 써? Oh, you. Let's talk. Yeah, I'm just follow the ways, but yeah. 학생이에요? Oh, really?
Huh?
Student daw ba tayo?
Oh, yeah,
She understand.
yeah, she understand.
Palagay na.
Oh, you love K-drama. Where you study? Where?
회전입니다.
What school?
Perpetual po.
전방에
Manila. Perpetual Manila.
College?
Yeah. Third year.
Third year college. First time we encountered Korean drama?
Yeah.
Yeah, first time.
Yeah. Yeah.
The problem here, a lot of cars here.
200m 앞에서
Problem here
좌회전입니다.
in Manila.
Yeah.
A lot of cars, right?
It's
Traffic.
also traffic.
Always traffic.
Always traffic here. But I'm happy.
How long have you been here?
2 years here, 3 years.
Oh.
3 years
yeah.
already. So you know how to speak in Tagalog?
Salamat po.
Salamat po. Do you know other words?
Kanan.
Kanan.
Kaliwa.
Where do you live in Korea?
Actually, I'm originally from North.
North. Oh.
North.
North.
Why are you here?
Hmm?
If you don't mind us asking.
North Fairview.
North Fairview? North Fairview?
I live in North Fairview.
Kala ko North Korea. Ba't ka nandito, kuya?
Yeah, I live in North Fairview.
My bad. Sorry.
You live here
Yes.
in Manila?
Yes.
No province. No province.
Oh.
Yeah, we have.
Where's your province?
I'm from Cagayan Valley.
Where is that? Somewhere in
the north.
North.
oh north. Oh
Yeah.
well, we're same north. I'm from north. Well, Fairview, and you're from north part. Yeah.
And she.
Who?
All of them.
Where
actually.
are you?
Where?
North also.
Oh, you?
Isabela.
What is your language?
Ilocano and Itawis.
Yeah. Try to speak your language, native language.
Oh, you go first.
Yeah. native language. Can I hear?
Nangankan?
Nangangkang, what is that? Nangangkang?
Nangankan?
What is that?
Kumain ka na ba?
Oh, yeah. Okinawa, Japan. What is that?
Okay na. What?
Okinawa, Japan.
Oh no, it's a curse word.
Hmm? What is that? You do that? You do that?
Okinawa?
Hmm.
I think it's the flavor.
Hmm? Oh really?
It's a milk
I heard it.
flavor.
I heard my Filipino friend, yeah, Okinawa, Japan. Actually, I'm looking here, around here, establishment for my business.
Oh, what kind of business?
It's a Pogo.
Huh? What?
Pogo.
Pogo?
Yeah.
Like the egg?
You know Pogo?
Pogo. What Pogo? Like Pogo.
P-O-G-P-O. Hmm?
P-O-P.
Is there other Pogo? Pogo? A lot of Pogo, yeah? What's it called? Yeah.
A lot of Pogo.
Yeah, what is the other one, Pogo?
The other one is already banned.
Oh,
The other
So are you
one-
planning to build a business like that?
like this.
Ah!
Yeah, like this.
Ayan.
Yep. Pogo. I have a friend. He Pampanga. Pogo farm. Pogo farm.
Oh.
Mm.
Oh yes, Pogo Farm.
Hmm?
Oh, it's nice business, huh?
Oh yeah. Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah, nice to meet you. 우리의 친구예요.
Oh, 친구. Yeah, friends.
Yeah, friend 친구. Yeah, 그런데 what is your name? What is your name?
Ooh.
You first.
Me first? Oh, I'm
Mm.
Ami.
Ami and
Pao.
Pao,
Sean.
Sean,
Eve.
and
Maika.
마이카. Yeah, 반갑습니다.
Oh,
만나서
반갑습니다.
반갑습니다.
나도.
오.
나도.
Yeah,
나도 반갑습니다.
야, 예, 감사합니다. 야. Just call me Mr. Hoon. Yeah.
Mr. Hoon.
Hoon. Yeah, Hoon.
Mr. Hoon.
Yeah, that's my last name. Hoon.
Oh.
Yeah, last name Hoon.
Pak Hoon.
My first name. Yeah, it's a Sutang. Yeah, Sutang. In Korea, who's Sutang? Korea.
Wow. You know what's sotanghon in the Philippines?
What is that? What is that?
Oh, it's a kind of soup.
Hmm?
It's a kind of noodles.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So? Wow. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, Hoon Sutang in Korea.
Nice name.
Hmm.
Very unique.
Yeah, but here, yeah, Sutang. Yeah, we're here. Oh, nice to meet you. Nice
to meet.
talking to you. Yeah, I'm happy.
We're so happy. Welcome to the Philippines.
Oh yeah, 감사합니다. Yeah, 감사합니다. I hope soon you go Korea. Yeah, you go Korea soon.
Yeah. Hopefully.
Yeah. Korea are very. Yeah, good weather there. Good weather.
My
Good
first
weather.
husband, my second husband.
All of my husband.
Hmm? I think here. What is the? Is it here?
Enang?
Oh, and
Saan yun, Ting?
Ah, dito na lang oh.
Oh. Diba?
Ito na yan, di ba? Ito na lang ngayon, no?
Oh my God, kuya.
Oh, bakit? Ano?
May kaklase din.
Na? So,
Na-feature.
ay talaga?
Yeah.
So, kilala nyo ako?
Yes.
Bwe.
Oo, kuya. Pinakita ko sa kanila yung YouTube mo.
Totoo? Bwe.
Reverse prank!
Sino yung kaklase ninyo?
Sina Thea. Yung nursing student.
Oh, marami kasing nursing student na ano. Si Thea na...
Yung nakaupo siya dito.
Yeah. Yung nagtatanong ka kung anong medication, tapos sabi niya, yes.
Yeah, 이름 뭐야? What is your name? What's your name?
Thea.
Thea? So napanood nyo yun?
Yes, kuya.
So, hindi ko yun na prank.
Ikaw ang na-prank namin. Kuya, post mo yan, ah. Oh my God.
Pero tawa pa rin kayo ng tawa, no?
Yeah.
Goods pa rin, no?
Yes.
So, yun, okay lang na isama ko kayo. Si Thea naman ang papanoorin ko.
Hi, Thea.
Ayan, shoutout na dito, dali. Yan, siya dito.
Ay, ayun pala.
So, hindi niya alam saan yung camera?
Kuya, kala ko ito, oh.
Hindi yan, ito.
Ayun pala.
Yan, hindi yan. Ito yun. Maraming salamat sa inyo dahil sama ko kasi content na okay lang, no?
Okay lang po.
Okay lang. Bibigyan ko kayo ng sticker. Ayan, para hindi nyo ako makalimutan.
Hindi talaga, kuya.
Hindi talaga?
Hi, una na prank namin, eh.
Oo.
Prank namin. Kuya,
Ha?
1, 2, 3. It's a prank!
Ito.
Ayan.
Yan.
Ayun.
So, wait lang. Nakakas ba kayo? Hindi.
Ay, magka-cash po.
So, dahil nakakas kayo, it's a free ride.
Oh!
It's a prank!
Thank you po.
Hindi nyo ba alam na naglilibre ako ng pamasahe? Hindi nyo alam?
Hindi.
So, hindi nyo napanood yung full video nila Thea na nilibre ko sila ng pamasahe.
Ay, napanood ko pala. Napanood ko pala.
Biglang nagbago eh. Ayan, pahabol shoutout. Baka meron pa. Mga pamilya, mga kapatid, mga pinsan, mga barkada.
Hi, Thea. Shout out sa mga taga-Cagayan.
Yan, mga Ilocanja.
Ilocano, Itawis. Hi, guys. Oh my God.
Yan. Yan, ano ba yung Okinawa?
Kuya.
Oh. Okay lang ba isama yun?
Maban ka dyan.
Hindi naman.
Hindi, Japan naman yun. Japan.
Okay.
Slang naman. So ayan, maraming salamat at
Thank you po,
kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida.
Nice prank.
Yes, kuya.
Doon lang sa right side.
Thank you po, kuya.
Doon lang sa right side. Ingat
Hi,
kayo.
kuya.
Hi, kuya.
Yeah, Mr. Hoon, Sutang.
Nagpapanggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Anyong haseyo, pasahero'y gulat na gulat. Seryoso pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kalsada, tawa lang no wonder. Anyong haseyo, kamsahamnida. Ang bati niya sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Free rides para sa mga estudyante. Driver na komedyante, lang katulad sa klase. Pag si kuya si ate, nahuhuli minsan. Pero di kulong tawa pa rin, kaya magaan. Nagpapanggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Anyong haseyo, pasahero'y gulat na gulat. Seryoso pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad.